video, 3 health experts are going to give you the tips to get through Diwali while keeping track on your health regime. Okay, 5 diet hacks that will help you stay healthy when you're eating out. Number 1, have a lot of fiber. So the more fiber you eat, the better your stomach will function, and it will give you room to eat out and not feel too much discomfort. So look at having like 5 portions of fruit or vegetables in the day. That will help your stomach clear up. Number 2, have water, lots and lots of water. With the amount of alcohol and junk food, fried food that we have, our body gets dehydrated. And with the weather like Bombay, if you're in a city like Bombay, then 3 liters of water is a must. Number 3, have fennel seeds. So just keep soft in your bag and have a spoonful after any meal. And that's again, after a heavy meal, it really helps you just sort of calm down. You can even make a tea out of it and have it actually. It tastes very nice, you can even do that. Number 4, which is something you should do irrespective of Diwali or no Diwali, have a cup of curd every day. Homemade fresh cow milk curd every day is fantastic. It's a probiotic. People usually think that it's good for digestion only, but it actually helps you stay awake, stay alert, focused. It's excellent for your entire body. So the 5th one, the last point, very important, is that you just manage your carbs better. So whenever, for Diwali parties, for weddings, whenever you're going to be indulging, or when you want to indulge on a particular day or for an event, just reduce your carb intake in the hours before, or your meals before that particular event. So say if you're eating, you're going for a dinner, then just skip all the roti, rice, potato, pasta, just skip all of that through the day. So you get all of that calorie to go and indulge at night. So this is a trick you should always keep handy. After the party, when you come home, if you feel that you have a heavy stomach, you can practice Vajrasana for 5 to 10 minutes. It's the only asana that you can do with a full stomach. So it will give you a feeling of a lighter stomach, it will enhance the digestion, so then you can go to bed with a lighter stomach. The day after or the following days, if you experience acidity, you can practice all the asanas that massage the internal organs, like twisting asanas or everything that stretches the abdominal region. So you can practice Bhujangasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana or mountain pose. But don't practice any forward bending asanas, because this will give you more acidity. It will create reflux from the stomach to the food pipe and the mouth. If you want also, you can try this pranayam, which is Shitali pranayam. It's a breathing exercise where you roll your tongue like this, and you inhale, and then you close your mouth and exhale from the mouth. So from the nose, sorry. So this will give you a nice cooling feeling right away. If you experience bloating, you can practice Pavanmuktasana. Lying on the floor, bring your knees to your chest. This is a posture that will help in liberating the gas that is blocked somewhere in the bowels. And finally, if you want to relax, in the afternoon or before going to sleep, if your sleeping pattern has been disturbed, you can practice abdominal breathing, one hand on your stomach, feeling your stomach going up and down before sleeping will calm you down and put you to sleep nicely.
So I am here to discuss with you about 3 homeopathic medicines that you can try taking before Diwali, during Diwali and post. Basically there is a medicine called Nux Vomica. So you can start taking 4 to 6 pills of that in the morning, in the afternoon and at night, 3 times a day basically, 2 days before Diwali. So that by the time you come to Diwali, you're nice and rested and your stomach is nice and balanced out. So basically Nux Vomica is good for acidity, it's good for gas, for constipation, for a tired feeling, for a lethargic feeling. If you sleep late in the night and you wake up and you feel all drowsy and uncomfortable, Nux Vomica will balance it all out. So besides Nux Vomica, there's a medicine called arsenic, arsenic album. So you can take that if you are experiencing a lot of burning in your chest or if you're feeling nauseous, or if you really can't sleep at night because of your stomach, just take some arsenic and it will help you rest in the night. The third medicine is a medicine called Ipecac. Ipecac is very good for nausea. So basically you can take, it as soon as you're starting to feel a little queasy in your stomach, just take a dose of Ipecac, and then after 2-3 hours repeat it again, and then in the night before you sleep, and you're sorted for nausea. So these are the 3 medicines basically that I would suggest that you try during the festive seasons.
If you enjoyed these tips and you would like a personal plan, you can log on to healthconcept.in and find the wellness plans on the website. Thank you for watching.
Happy Diwali!